What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Rustomod. Today we're going to do the entire build series in 10 minutes of our budget boosted Buick. We're going to go back in time a year and a half ago to where we grabbed this thing out of the junkyard till now where it's a twin turbo LS awesome hot rod. So let's check it out. He needs all the rest of his cars gone in his lot, or he's just gonna scrap them. We ended up getting that Buick, which really we didn't really want at all. This is this Buick, and it's kind of
Skylark.
Yeah, it's kind of junk. Definitely rotted. You know, it has a radio. It's probably worth more than the car.
It sounds like a tractor. I don't know.
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
This car was $200.
Yeah. Dude, it's got no power.
And we want to show you guys the entire process on how you can basically get an LS motor for free. Here's a good look at the truck. We got it for $600, talking down. All right, this thing has 376,000 miles on it. Pretty crazy. It runs pretty good for 370,000 miles, almost 400,000 miles on this thing. Now it's a lot easier to pull the engine. So at this point we've officially broken even and we made our $600 back. And we ended up making $2,100, so that way we can put that money into our Buick. Installed. Sweet. crank it and see what happens here. Let me turn the headlights back off. It's running! Let's go! It is really awesome checking out this video and seeing the entire build series on our budget boosted Buick. It has been a long time coming, but it's finally done. Now in the next episode, we're going to break down the entire financial build cost of the car so you can see all the money that's been spent on the Buick and see if we actually did it on a budget. So you're not going to want to miss that. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.